Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the OJS latest version 3.5 custom theme or template demo. So friends, before showing you working demo, I must say, if you will have any kind of queries, suggestion or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my wonderful blog. Therichpost.com has contact us page. In this page, you will get my email ID, WhatsApp number, and Upwork ID as well. And guys, also a full-time freelancer, you can hire me for your services. And also on my blog, you will get thousands of free templates, themes, e-commerce demos, and all the things you would get. And also, I am full-time freelancer, you can hire me for your services, friends. And now let's back to OJS custom theme demo. So friends, see the top section, the main logo, search and other buttons as well, and the main navigation. See friends, and scroll down, see the main hero section, the beautiful search, scroll down, beautiful section, punch issue. See, and guys, I must say again, this is just a demo theme in OJS. And latest articles, see guys, beautiful hover effect, I'm sure you will like it. And scroll down, white user section, and see the hover effect. Announcements, see friends, and the beautiful footer. And now I will show you its responsiveness, and I must say it's fully responsive. See guys, see friends, it's fully responsive. Will work for all the devices. See friends, iPhone 17. See guys, fully responsive OJS theme 3.5. And guys, also I will come with more demos. And friends, this is one theme, and I also shared few tutorials related to OJS. And friends, I must say few things. Please subscribe my channel, please support me, and after it I will come with more demos. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you, have a nice day, take care, bye bye.